Welcome students, we are expected to integrate this. Foremost, we will be employing this property integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a positive b negative x times dx. So that would give us integral 0 to pi over 2 sine. I'm going to write this as 0 positive pi over 2 negative x raised to the power of 3 divided by sine of the, you'll be following the same approach. So 0 positive pi over 2 negative x positive cos of 0, 0 positive pi over 2 negative x times the dx. This will give us 0 to pi over 2. This is sine of pi over 2 negative x raised to the power of 3. This is going to be cos x, this is going to be sin x times the dx. This can be rewritten as 0 to pi over 2. This is going to be cos, since we have cube there, is going to be cos cubed x times the dx divided by cos x positive sin x. This is why I take this as 2, I take this as 1, adding 1 and 2, we get, so what do we get? You get 2 times I is equal to sin cubed x positive cos cubed x divided by sin x positive cos x times dx. Now this is of the form a cubed positive b cubed, which is nothing but a positive b times a squared positive b squared negative ab. So you have 2 times I, am applying this formula, I would get sin x positive cos x times sin squared x positive cos squared x negative sin x times cos x times dx divided by sin x positive cos x. The limits are 0 to pi over 2, 0 to pi over 2. So sin x positive cos x, sin x positive cos x. So these two added together will give me 1 negative sin x times cos x. This is what we got. Now what I wish to do is I will multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Okay, so if I were to multiply by 2 and divide by 2, this is going to be 1 negative sin 2x divided by 2 times the dx. So we go to the next side. So the limits are 0 to pi over 2, 0 to pi over 2. I can rewrite this as 0 to pi over 2 dx negative 1 over 2 times sin 2x dx 0 to pi over 2. Okay, so you integrate this, you get x 0 to pi over 2. You integrate this, you get negative cos 2x divided by 2 0 to pi over 2 as x 0 to pi over 2 negative negative positive, so it's going to be 1 over 4 of cos 2x 0 to pi over 2. So I apply the limits, I get pi over 2 positive 1 over 4. This is cos 2 times of pi over 2 negative cos 2 times of 0. So this will be pi over 2 positive 1 over 4. 2 gets cancelled, cos pi is negative 1. This is cos 2 0, right? That's going to be cos 0. That's going to be 1. So this can be further written as pi over 2. Negative 1 is negative 2. So you have negative 2 over 4, it's going to be 1 over 2. So I take the LCM as 2, I get pi minus 1. Already there is a 2i there. So therefore I is equal to pi minus 1 divided by 4. So this will be the solution to this question. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.